Hey everyone, this is Brian with the Nobody Cares Network 24. That's a PT Quattro. I'm doing an experiment today. We have a dehumidifier in our house, and I've always heard that water from a dehumidifier is distilled water and is good to drink. So I'm pouring this out of our humidifier. This is how much it's drained out, probably in the last week and a half. So here is the said water. I don't know if I put the ice cubes in there or not, but let me taste it here. Okay. Whoever said it, we will see. It's not bad, really. There's some light here. So I don't know. I'll do some digging, but it tastes good. So if it really is distilled, it'd probably be worth keeping instead of dumping out. Brian with Nobody Cares Network 24, and this one somebody might care because I did drink distilled water. Thanks. Bye.